Today we're making fresh egg pasta. The main ingredients are all-purpose flour, semolina flour, eggs and salt. I like to mix regular AP flour with semolina to give the dough a bit more structure, a little more bite. After mixing together the AP and semolina flours, we make a well and place the eggs in the center. With a fork, we break up the eggs and slowly we incorporate the flour into the egg mixture, making sure that it doesn't escape the well, until the whole thing slowly becomes more solid, more consistent, and eventually becomes a dough. Once the egg mixture has been incorporated into the flour, we use our hands to complete the mixing until the dough comes fully together. For the final kneading, use the heel of your hand to develop the gluten in the dough until you have a uniform and supple texture. At this point, it's time to let the dough rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Once the dough has rested and the flour has fully hydrated, it's time to roll the dough. Traditionally, this would be done with a wooden rolling pin, but today we're taking the modern route and use a pasta rolling machine, an electric one at that. If you don't have an electric version, a manual version works the same. You just need more muscle. We put the pasta through levels 1, 2 and 3, and then we stop, folded letter style, and start again on number 1. This will develop the gluten more and give more structure to the dough. The thickness you stop at will depend on what you are going to use the dough for, ravioli, pasta, lasagna, and the number will vary depending on your pasta machine, since each model has its own thickness scale. Since we are making just fresh pasta today, at this point you also have to decide which shape you desire. Today we are making fettuccine, so we will use the pasta machine cutter for that shape. Once the pasta is cut, mix it with some semolina flour to prevent it from sticking together. And then you can hang it in strands on a wooden pin or similar device, or you can form it into nests to let it dry. Since today we are cooking the pasta right away, we don't have to worry about letting it dry. And once the salted water is boiling, we can just add it and cook it. Cook the pasta for 3 to 5 minutes until al dente, or if you are like me, just a little over. Serve it with your favorite sauce. Personally, I like a brown butter sage or a bolognese sauce with my fresh egg pasta. Look up my bolognese sauce recipe at valeriosway.com or watch the video in my channel. Buon appetito!